Hello and welcome to this new tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can use your reference 3D model picture to create your character. I mean, a ton of characters. If you are new to Medibang, I will explore with you how you can import your pictures on your canvas, transform the size, lower the opacity, and work on your illustration. If it's something that you wanted to know, please stay tuned with us until the end, and I will show you how you can be inspired also by this 3D model to create many characters for your manga. After opening your Medibang software, you will reach to that page. So you press new and you create a new page. You check the size. In our case, we let it for 8 by 11 and then we press OK. Okay, we close that page as we don't want it. So here is our new layer that we just created. So now we will import our image. We'll go to File, open the image as a layer. And then we select the image that we want to work on and we click OK. So here is the image. Now we can use the move tool, as you just see, to position our image the way we want inside of our canvas. As we want the image to be a bit bigger, we will go to selection tool. We select one of our image and we go to selection to select and we check transform, and we can drag in, out or in the corner of our selection to change the size, and then we will click OK if you're satisfied with the dimension within the lower box that appear below. And here it is. We just get a new dimension for our pictures. And after that, we remove the selection by going back to select and deselect. So we put the first layer on top because this is where we will draw, and we will decrease the, okay, we select our brush first. In our case, we will try to choose the J pen one. Put the color to black. First of all, select the G pen, put the color to black, zoom our image a little bit, and we will decrease the opacity of the 3D model layer. And this way we can work in our first layer without not worrying about drawing on top of our model layer. So here it is, and now we can start our drawing. So for the sake of this video, I will try to speed up the process a little bit, just exactly because it's just drawing the line is easy. I think if you arrive in that state, so we just have to draw the line, trying to create your character. So here it is, a simple, easy step. If you enjoyed this video so far, please give us a big thumbs up. And after that, we create a new layer. We put it in multiply mode that will allow us to add the shadows. So with this process, we could create many characters with the same process. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be inspired. Thank you for watching.